Blacksmith, a lot of people thought he got his big arms from swinging a hammer. Truth of the matter is, this is a drill press. It's trying to eat me. But it's hand crank. And I say the blacksmith got his big arm cranking that when he was 10 years old, 12 hours a day as an apprentice. So we're going to take and get a drill bit and stick in it. I got some holes I need to drill in what we call penny hooks. Take and drive the screw drill down close to it. Start cranking. Bring the drill bit back up. And there we have the hole in the penny hook. Now somebody out there wants to know, why do they call it a penny hook, right? Well, 100 and some years ago, you had two different factions. One would say no. The size of the top of this up here is about the size a penny was back then. Then the other side says no, it's what the blacksmith charged for the penny hook. I don't know about you people, but inflation's hit. This is $5. It's great to have all of you come, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the craft show.